South Korea, a country known for their deepest roots in the history of taste. What methods are the Koreans using when it comes to distinguishing the various matchips today? How do they do it? We arrive at a restaurant famous for the loach soup that has been running for 200 years. We find something peculiar at this restaurant. Bangmun-soo? Matpe? We thought we heard incorrectly, and so we asked again. Park Mun-soo, a secret royal inspector well known to the Koreans. However, the elders' insistence that it was Bangmun-soo instead of Park Mun-soo. Furthermore, what about the matpe? Indeed, what really happened during the Joseon Dynasty period?
That's right. Park Mun-soo's real name was Bangmun-soo, and it's matpe. It's more appropriate to think of him as a matchip distinguisher rather than the king's agent. Park, no. Bang, yes.
He was actually a matchip critic who disguised himself as a customer and analyzed the restaurant's number of customers, and then classified the different matchips according to the number of horses on the matpe.
Well, I've got some crucial evidence here. Look at his portraits. The later one looks much fatter, doesn't it? He couldn't avoid gaining weight because he had to go to every restaurant and eat all the food.
I leave this certificate with this matpe that certifies that this restaurant recorded the best number of visitors in this region. Bangmun-soo spent his whole life distinguishing trustworthy matchips based on customer statistics. Adapting his original ideas, Hyundai Card brings you My Menu. The app recommends matchips to people based on statistics. So now Koreans don't have to worry about deciding where to eat out anymore. Cheerio!